Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we truly alone? It's a question that has haunted humanity for millennia. Across history, countless sightings, unexplained events, and NASA's own cryptic behavior have fueled one of the greatest mysteries of our time. Are aliens real? From strange figures lurking in backyards to mysterious objects crashing into the moon, there's no shortage of bizarre encounters that make us question what we know about the universe. Today we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing alien encounters, NASA cover-ups, and the eerie possibility that extraterrestrials have been watching us for much longer than we think. In 2007, the Spirit rover beamed back an image that nearly broke the internet. There, amidst the desolate rocky landscape, appeared to be a small humanoid figure perched on a rock as if surveying its surroundings. NASA dismissed it as pareidolia, our brain's tendency to see familiar shapes in random objects. But if it was just a rock, why did it have a head, a torso, arms, and legs? Could it be a statue, a relic from an ancient Martian civilization lost to time? Or could it be an actual being caught unaware by our robotic explorer? Imagine this. You're gazing up at the night sky, the moon a beacon of ethereal light, when suddenly a flash. Something impacts the lunar surface, leaving behind a massive dust cloud. In 2019, an amateur astronomer captured a mysterious impact in stunning 4K detail, sending shockwaves through the scientific community. Was it a rogue asteroid, a piece of space debris, or something more? Some whispered of secret military technology, while others speculated about extraterrestrial activity. 1947, a year that would forever be etched in the annals of UFO lore. It began with pilot Kenneth Arnold, who, while flying over Mount Rainier, spotted 9 disc-shaped objects moving at speeds that defied explanation. His description of their movement, like saucers skipping on water, gave birth to the term flying saucer and ignited the public's fascination with UFOs. Just weeks later, in a desolate patch of desert near Roswell, New Mexico, something crashed. The military, initially claiming they had recovered a flying disc, quickly changed their story, stating it was merely a weather balloon. Decades later, they admitted to a cover-up, but the real truth, like the debris scattered across the desert, remains elusive. Mars, it seems, is a treasure trove of the unexplained. In 2009, a photograph from a Mars orbiter revealed a massive, perfectly rectangular structure casting a long, eerie shadow across the Martian plains. NASA claimed it was a naturally formed rock, a trick of perspective and light. But the image was, and still is, deeply unsettling. Even astronaut Buzz Aldrin hinted that we should investigate further. Was it a message from an ancient civilization, a signpost left for us to find? Or was it, as NASA insists, just another rock? March 13, 1997, the skies above Phoenix, Arizona, became a stage for one of the most witnessed UFO events in history. Thousands of people, from ordinary citizens to pilots, police officers, and even the governor of Arizona, watched as enormous V-shaped lights moved silently across the night sky. Despite the overwhelming number of eyewitness accounts, the government's explanation was disappointingly familiar. Military flares. But how do flares move in perfect formation, remaining aloft for hours? In 1998, during a space shuttle mission, astronauts captured an image of a strange, dark object floating in orbit. This was no ordinary piece of space debris, this was something different. Some believe this is the Dark Knight satellite, an alleged extraterrestrial probe that has been silently monitoring Earth for thousands of years. NASA dismissed it as a lost thermal blanket, but skeptics argue that it looks nothing like any known space debris. Could it be an ancient artifact, a silent sentinel from a long-vanished civilization keeping watch over our world? Deep in the heart of rural England, nestled amongst the trees of Rendlesham Forest, lies a mystery that rivals even Roswell in its strangeness. In December of 1980, military personnel stationed at RAF Woodbridge, a US Air Force base, witnessed a series of bizarre events that continue to defy explanation. It began with strange lights in the forest, followed by the sighting of a glowing triangular craft that landed silently amongst the trees. The Rendlesham Forest incident remains one of the most well-documented UFO encounters, involving multiple witnesses, official reports, and even recorded audio tapes. Fast forward to April 2023, and the neon-drenched streets of Las Vegas became the backdrop for a truly bizarre encounter. It began with a frantic 911 call, a family claiming that 2 giant, non-human beings, standing up to 10 feet tall with large glowing eyes, had landed in their backyard. As if to corroborate the family's story, a Las Vegas police officer's body cam captured a glowing object falling from the sky around the same time as the 911 call. Despite a thorough search, authorities found no evidence of a crash or any unusual footprints. Our celestial companion, the Moon, holds more secrets than we might imagine. In 1967, NASA's lunar orbiter, tasked with mapping the lunar surface, captured an image that continues to spark debate. There, rising from the desolate landscape, was a towering, spire-like structure, casting a long, distinct shadow across the lunar surface. Was it a bizarre lunar formation, a product of unknown geological processes, or was it an artificial structure? Time and time again, we see reports of strange sightings and unexplainable crashes. Classified government programs hint at something beyond our understanding. While NASA and military officials often dismiss these encounters, the sheer volume of unexplained incidents raises a crucial question. What if they aren't telling us everything? Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, one thing is certain: there's still so much we don't know about the universe. Some believe that these sightings are evidence of extraterrestrial life visiting Earth, while others think they are natural phenomena or advanced human technology. Scientists continue to research and debate, and the public remains fascinated and divided. Our imaginations run wild with possibilities, fueled by science fiction and artistic renderings. Until we have definitive answers, keep looking up and wondering about the mysteries of the cosmos. In recent times, a wave of new UFO sightings has reignited the age-old debate about extraterrestrial life. From mysterious lights over major cities to strange, fast-moving objects captured on military radar, these new events are impossible to ignore. Experts like Dr. Sarah Thompson, an astrophysicist, weigh in. These sightings challenge our current understanding of physics and aerodynamics. They exhibit behaviors that defy the capabilities of known human technology. Witness testimonies also add a layer of intrigue. John Martinez, a commercial pilot with over 20 years of experience, recounts his encounter. "It was unlike anything I've ever seen. A bright light followed our plane for miles, moving in ways no aircraft can." These incidents have not only captivated the public, but have also pushed governments to take a more transparent approach. The Pentagon's recent declassified reports are a step towards acknowledging that we might not be alone. While the scientific community remains divided, the implications are profound. If these sightings are indeed evidence of extraterrestrial technology, it could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. So, as we continue to explore these new sightings and their implications, one thing remains clear. Our quest for knowledge is far from over. Keep watching the skies. The answers may be out there.